right, keep pushing. You're doing good. Keep pushing, keep pushing.
You're doing great, babe. Just let me get one shot.
Let's make sure this one is extra nice. You know, you really should be in this one. Nice.
Welcome to LifeShare, the fastest and easiest way to share personalized printed photos and cards, mailed to anyone for less than $1. Choose and customize a card, upload your favorite photo, add graphics and even a message, and LifeShare prints and mails it to anyone you choose. It's as easy as sending an email, and all for less than $1. We've had some great photos from last week's contest, and now we want you to be part of the fun by entering the MyShare by LifeShare photo contest. You see, each week, send in your favorite photo and be entered for a chance to win great prizes from digital cameras, photo iPods, free prints from LifeShare, and more. Now, this week's contest is Big Family Event. So what was your big family event? Was it graduation, a new baby? How about a joyful reunion? Whatever it was, we want you to send us a photo of your absolutely best family moment. Just go to www.mylifeshare.com to find out more about LifeShare, to enter your photo for the weekly drawing, and to read official contest rules. You can also sign up for LifeShare launch alerts, find out more about upcoming contests, and get the inside info on how you can make money by sharing LifeShare with others. Meanwhile, send in your favorite photo and keep an eye out for next week's contest. We'll see you then.